That's nice, just to be able to turn it on and leave it on and not have to worry about pausing it in 2 minutes. Alright y'all, working on my brake release valve deal. I gotta take this catwalk off of it. My lovely assistant wife helped me with the others. Say hi to him.
Hello.
No, I said say hi to him.
Oh, good Lord, you're a dork.
She loves me. This right here is what we got to replace. Goes right here. What it does when you release the brakes, it sends air to the brake chambers and all that, but it's running slow. It takes a while to release them. These are supposed to have quick releases, but I've never had any luck with them. That one actually worked. And here. Wow, those are actually working. And then we got these running to the brake chambers. There it is. All right. It is. I was trying to figure out how to take the brake chamber air lines off without having to take it off from the brake chamber. That one, and then this one. Alright, the hoses are loose. Pretty well self-explanatory where they go. Now I think I need to take this one off. So okay, I left one more on here. I didn't see it. Hopefully this ain't the one that messes up. Now we gotta replace all of these ends and put them on this one. So we're gonna do it one at a time. try to remember which way they were facing, but it doesn't matter, they'll twist. When you tighten this stuff up, it's brass. You don't have to kill it. You just gotta snug it. That one on there was too tight. I think it was facing that way. Now we'll go to the front here on this and do this one. Now facing them back the same ways, we'll go to this valve deal next. Maybe. I'm not using pipe dope and all that stuff because these are brass threads and they're tapered. Now stick these back in, make sure you clean them. Number next. This airline here, I was trying to move my fifth wheel and it wouldn't move, so I cut it and spliced into it to get it move. I got a switch in there that will shoot air to it. I just found, where's it at? That right there was pinched, and I'm almost certain that's why it won't move. So we'll air it up and test that out too. My dog, she's always waiting on me. She loves me. Don't you, Gidget? Gidget, come on, let's go. Let's go, come on. We got our air pressure built up. Before we put that valve on, when I push this one in, it would sound like leaking air for probably 45 seconds. Yeah, I just felt them release right there. So I believe that fixed it. Yep. let's try it again. Yep, I felt them release. Alright, y'all. That's all the work I need to do on the truck. I'll have to put it back together, go hook up to the trailer, and then see what is going on with the trailer. That self-leveling valve on the back seems to be working now, so I'm glad for that. But I want to thank Colleen for my hat. Comfortable, I really do like it. It's a really well-made hat. Thank you, Colleen, and your daughter for bringing it up. But I got a lot more stuff to do, and this video is going to be just chopped in pieces of different stuff. Now I got to run over my sister's house and measure for her electrical wire. So that's where we're going next. We'll see you over there.